Okay, so hello guys, I'm Toca Zoe, and yeah, I hope you all will like my videos in this YouTube channel. And yeah, so in this video, I will gonna tour you all guys in my house, which is the modern mansion. But before that, first of all, I will just gonna give some credits to Toca Gamer. I guess that's the name of the YouTube channel, Toca Gamer or Toca Gamer Plays, like that. So credits to you for the ideas in the house, which is the modern mansion. And yeah, and I am one of Toca Alice. It's Toca Alice YouTube channel. Yeah, and I am one of its subscriber, and I hope you all will gonna subscribe her because she is so good at making Toca series like that, Toca stories, and I really like it. And now we're gonna start the tour. So first of all, this is the outdoor. You're gonna find this, some mailbox, and some fountains, plants, and yeah, and I have this rainy thing. I can't tell the name because I don't know the name. And yeah, I was just gonna click it like that. So it will rain like that if I have some Toca story. So let's close that because I don't want to be rain because it's a nice day and this is my first video. So let's get in the intro. So yeah, let's open it. And we're gonna see this thing. So this is like I put my things right in here. So here's my key, a alcohol sanitizer because we're still in the pandemic right now. And yeah, let's sanitize first so we can tell that we are all sanitized. And I have this wallet and a flower, a plant. Okay. And next to that, we're gonna see the gym, which is really cool. So, so guys, I've updated this Toca Boca. So if you all are asking where I got this, I've updated first and buy this pack. And yeah, this towel, and I have some mini refrigerator in here because we need to stay hydrated. So yeah, and some yoga, and yeah, because we really need to exercise our body and so on. We're gonna find my dog. Please guys comment what should I name her. So it's like I want to name him Molly, like that, but I need some suggestion for you all guys. So yeah, let's go. So we can find this looks display, some trophies. So it's looks guys, looks display. If you all are misunderstanding me, Luke is my husband's name, okay? So we can find this fire pit area. You can watch that, and it's really so aesthetic. And next to that is we can find this play area, which is Luke and Amber really like it because Luke is a gamer when she's a teen, and Amber really like gaming too. So yeah. Oh, if you all are asking, Amber is my one and only daughter. She she is my one child. Okay, so next to that we will gonna find see the closet, and this is my purse. I will gonna put in the screen where I've got it. in the first floor hotel. So this is my closet. Yes, my clothes. And this is Luke's closet. And yeah, and this is the dressing area where we wear our clothes or our OOTD. And next to that, we're gonna see the bathroom, beautiful aesthetic bathroom. I'm sorry. So yeah, I really like this bathroom because this is my idea, or I decorated it. And yeah, this is the soap, some shampoos, Amber's, me and Luke's. And yeah, this is my robe and the towel. Okay, so this is the washing area where we wash our clothes. And then this is the sink, and I have this comb which is really aesthetic. And in here we can find our shampoo and body wash where we refill ours if it has no longer have it. So let's get it back. Let's put it back, and we can find our toothbrush as well as the mouthwash and the toothpaste. Okay, so
Okay guys,
we
so
are
by that
finished the
we're gonna
first
go
floor.
upstairs, so
Already
let's go to
turned
the elevator so we can
first
go
floor, and
to
I
the
would
second
like to
floor. So
do
now we're
guys
here
in the second floor as well.
Okay. So it's all okay, so let's go now in the elevator in the second floor. So now we're in the second floor. So in the second floor, here's the swimming pool. Oh wait, before that, we can see this in the entrance of the second floor. And yeah, well, in here in the pool, we can see this, and we're gonna go in here in the shower if we're gonna go in the shower. Oopsies. So yeah, gonna go in the shower if we wanted, or we are finished swimming in the pool. And yeah, there's some shampoo and body wash in there, and some this are in there. And we're gonna chill out in here, and then we're gonna see some lotions and some that I can tell. I forgot. I did forgot what is the name of it. So in the next room is we will gonna find my and Luke's bedroom. I and Luke's bedroom. So we're gonna find this, some books. I also read that. Yeah, and I have my makeup in there, so I've put my few books in the Luke's storage. And so here we're gonna see our gadgets. We put it right in there. And next, this is my kitchen. This is really so aesthetic. This is my idea, and it's free to copy. Just put credits, of course. So yeah, and this is the refrigerator. So here's in the freezer, and in the up one, some snacks and some fruits and vegetables. And here's some spices, and here some cooking utensils or cooking pan, like that. Okay, so can find our food storage and the counter. And the next one is Amber study and play area. So this one is a pink theme because Amber really liked the color pink. So yeah, and Amber is already 5 years old. She really need to go into school in kindergarten, and now it's pandemic, so she's in online class or distance learning. And yeah, this is Amber's lockers. We can find that in there. We can see that in there. And Amber's books, notebooks, and pens. So I think that's all in here. Let's go to the next. So in the next one, we can see Amber's bedroom. So this one is a violet theme. I can't tell because there's some pink, some blue. The floor is the blue one, and yeah. So this is Amber's closet. We can see her gadgets and her clothes, and yeah, that's all in Amber's closet, and her table and her bedroom, and that's all in Amber's closet. So I think I'm done to tour you all guys in my modern mansion, which is my house. And now I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm done for touring you all guys, and I hope you like my mansion. It's free to copy guys, just put some credits, of course. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so you can get some new videos of me, videos. Okay, I think that's all. Peace. Goodbye.